will be unboxing a gift I received for Christmas. It was given by my mom and dad. It's a Amazing Yamaguchi Venom figure. So this is the front, which is the figure and the parts, and picture of Venom. The side, more pictures of Venom, and Venom sign, two of them, and the Venom figure, the Amazing Yamaguchi. The back is like a comic of the Venom figure. The top is just Venom. The bottom, it's like a figure of it, or it's a comic. So when you take the figure out, you will see in the back a picture of Venom. So I will show you that. Now let's open it. So this is the tongue. It's for the peg inside its mouth, which you can connect the tongue with. The peg can take out. When you put the peg inside its mouth, the jaw won't close actually. When you take it off, it can close. And this one is a part of its like head. You see the eyes? This one, you can take it off and replace it with this head. And these like sharp things, which are not really that sharp, you can move them. You can connect it to its back. There are two of them. They're actually really long. These ones are the tiny versions. They're also moving left to right and on the figure. I'm gonna show you the articulations and the details. So the mouth can move up and down. Since I told you about this peg thing which you can stick the tongue in. And this is the head with two eyes. You can take it off and replace it with this one. And you can move the head left and right. I have to put this back. I'll show that later. You can move it up, down. These arms, down, up, down, left, right. These arms can move also. This. And the hand is actually cool. You can do this, you can do that, you can do this. And each finger can move. But the last two couldn't. Now on to the left or right arm. No, I don't know because it's like backwards. This one can also move. Here, each finger can move also. Move the chest up, take the chest down, put it here, here, there. So it fits faces like this. And you can move here, your legs can move there, here, bend, this one can also bend, So, that's it. So that's my new Venom action figure I got for Christmas. And I hope you like it. If you like it, smash that like button on